have in front of me a Huawei B628 outdoor 4G antenna kit. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So with the basic kit here in front of us, and we also have some options as well that we can add on, which I'll cover in a few moments. So basically the centerpiece of this is the MIMO area that you see inside of it here. So there's two polarizations on it, and hence the design of the aerial. And off there we have two cables coming forward here. Each are 10 meters long SMA cables with SMA connections on the far end. Now, to make this work specifically with the Huawei B628, we have an adapter cable here. So just hold this one up, and this is a male TS9 to female SMA cable. Okay, so you can just see there's a special adapter on it. Okay, so it's just to convert directly over to an adapter. So this end here is the pot will go into the cable coming from the MIMO aerial, and this part here is what will actually go directly into your B628 router. And there's obviously two of them because we have two cables feeding in. So hence our decision to create a kit specifically for this, because it can be confusing. The vast majority of routers will just use a straightforward SMA connection on it. Some have more specialized ones like that, and that's why we need to adjust accordingly. Now, in terms of the options you may want to buy, and probably will want to buy with it, the first one is simply a bracket. It's an aluminium bracket with a plastic cap on it. There's two plugs and two screws to mount it directly onto the wall. The idea here is that you'll probably want to mount this outside. You could have an existing pole from a previous TV aerial, something like that. But failing this, it's probably neat to put it on something like this that's weather resistant and low in terms of cost. And then the 10 meter cables that are here may be sufficiently long to get from the MIMO aerial all the way back to your 4G router, but if it's not sufficiently long, you have the option of adding on. So we have two types of SMA extension cables here. We have a 5 meter and 10 meter version. So there'll be female connection on one end, male on the other, so you can add it on and still keep the same termination type. So the key thing to remember there is when you go with this option here, you'll of course be getting two cables, simply because we have two cables here, you'll need two extension cables as well. So it just makes purchasing the kit for your Huawei B628 router extremely easy.